Hi, in front of me is REALME C3i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic rotation on this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now find Auto Rotate icon and click on it. Auto Rotation is now turned off. You can turn it back on by clicking on the same icon, but you can also go into Settings, choose Display and Brightness, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to Auto Rotate to turn it off or on. If you want to check out if it works, go into any app and turn your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!